Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a default file location for saving your Excel workbooks. This can save you time by making sure your files are always saved to your preferred location. Let's get started. First, open your Excel application. Next, go to File, then More, and select Options. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on the Save tab on the left-hand side. Under the Save Workbooks section, you'll see a checkbox saying, Save to Computer by Default. You need to check it. Then you can see another field labeled Default Local File Location for files and personal templates. This is where you can specify the folder where you want all your Excel files and personal templates to be saved by default. Click into this field and enter your preferred file path. For example, I'll set mine to a folder on my desktop called My Excel Files, and I will keep default file location for the templates. Once you've set your preferred location, click OK to save your changes and close the Excel Options dialog box. Let's verify the settings. I'll create a new workbook and save it. As you can see, the default save location is now set to the folder we specified. And that's it! Setting up a default file location for your Excel workbooks is a simple way to streamline your workflow and ensure your files are always saved where you want them. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.